How to draw batik at home.
Items included in the Batik DIY set: 1 bowl of wax, 1 piece of chanting, 1 piece of cotton fabric, 6 bottles of dye powder, 1 piece of brush, 1 piece of wooden frame, 1 bottle of 500 ml of sodium silicate, 1 packet of soda ash, 1 piece of manual instruction.
Step 1 is to staple the cotton fabric to the frame. Make sure the fabric is pulled tight to paint easier. Step 2 is to heat the wax until melted on a hot plate. Sketch your design with a pencil on the fabric in the meantime. Next, remove the chanting and use the sandpaper provided to sand the tip of the chanting. Please be careful that the wax is hot and may burn your hands. Use the chanting to scoop the wax. Use a tissue to hold the hot chanting with the opening facing upwards and test the wax consistency before drawing. Refill the wax when it dries out in the chanting. Please make sure that the wax lines are thick enough and enclosed. If not, the color will spread out later. The first step of wax drawing is done. To color, pour some dye powder into a palette and add a little water. More water can be added to get lighter color. You can also mix colors and be creative. Start painting with a paintbrush. Make sure to paint within the wax lines. Wax works as a border for the color so that the different color won't mix together. Use a fan to dry your batik painting. Our next step is color fixing. First, we pour sodium silicate into a bowl and use a brush to paint it over your batik. Please use a glove if needed, as sodium silicate may irritate your skin. Please handle the sodium silicate carefully as it is poison. Paint the sodium silicate on the back of the batik painting as well. Leave the batik for 4 hours. Remove the dried painting from the frame and rinse the sodium silicate in room temperature water. Prepare a bucket of hot water and add soda ash in it and mix well. Dip the painting in the soda ash water and soak it for a few minutes before rinsing it with water again. Hang it to dry and your own batik masterpiece is fully completed. Visit us on www.jatibatik.com to purchase batik DIY set.